The ADU disc assembly technician inspects all components to make sure that they appear to be in good shape. An as-built ADU open or disc assembly shows some wobble and lope as assembled, even though the discs themselves are made to tighter tolerances than industry standards. The bearing is very special for this application, heavy duty and made to exacting tolerances, but the total assembly needs adjusting for optimum performance. The technician measures runout and wobble and adjusts the shims under the cap to accommodate manufacturing tolerances in the cap and take advantage of the precision made spacer ring inside the cap. There's a chalk mark on the disc for maximum wobble found, and he adjusts the assembly to minimize it. The location of the shim is noted with a paint stick mark in case he needs to go through the process again. The technician is then satisfied that the wobble and runout is within our tighter specs to assure proper seed placement, seed to soil contact to yield early and uniform emergence of the crop being planted.